I am Sunay Shah.
I am Ankit Singhania.
I am Vinit Mittal.
I am Aditya Singhania.
I am Vijay Menon.
I am Sanjeev Gupta.
I am Roshan Tandil.
I am Tarang Bhatt.
I am Karthik Jain.
And together
We are Navitas Solar. Having our own EPC arm gives us complete control from module manufacturing to project execution. It ensures better quality, faster delivery, seamless coordination, and greater accountability for our clients.
at Kosamba plant, we aren't just manufacturing modules. With our automated lines and the upcoming 3 gigawatt cell expansion, we are engineering the backbone of India's renewable future.
We are aiming to reach an integrated 10 gigawatt manufacturing capacity for cells, modules, ingots and wafer. As we target $1 billion revenue footprint, we aren't just building another solar brand. We are Bharat Ka Apna Solar.
Clients don't just buy a solar panel, they invest in ecosystem. From Encapsulants to turnkey EPC and energy storage, we control the quality at every single step.
Automation isn't about replacing people. It is about eliminating human error for aspects, especially the ones that are critical to quality. This guarantees that every single module that leaves our facility will perform flawlessly for decades.
The most exciting advancement is not just one single machine. Watching robotics seamlessly handle non-destructive cutting with microscopic precision is incredible.
Our team doesn't just see silicon solar cell or a glass, they see a premium product that carries the Navitas name. They take immense personal ownership of ensuring it is a world class.
My vision for next 5 years is to make Navitas one of the most financially robust and globally bankable renewable energy brands in the world.
With Navitas, you aren't just buying solar, you are buying peace of mind.